Welcome to KidzTV.
The Magic Tree. A little boy was walking in a park. In the park, there was a big tree. It had a sign on it. I am a magic tree. Say the magic words. You will then see. The boy tried to guess the magic words. Abracadabra, tantara. But none of them worked. He became tired. Please, dear tree. Suddenly, a big door opened in the trunk. There was a bright sign over it. Carry on with your magic. The boy was happy. Thank you, dear tree. Inside the tree was a path with lights. At the end of the path were lots of toys. Please and thank you are magic words. Don't you agree? The poor woodcutter. Once there was a poor woodcutter who was good and honest. Every day he cut some wood in the forest and sold it for some money. One day, as he was cutting wood near a river, his axe slipped from his hand and fell into the river. The poor woodcutter cried and cried. The goddess of the river heard the woodcutter crying. Why are you crying, woodcutter? The woodcutter sobbed. My axe fell into the river. How will I now cut wood? How will I live? The goddess of the river went into the water and came out with a golden axe. She asked him, Is this your axe, woodcutter? He replied, No, no, this is a golden axe. My axe is made of iron. So she went into the water again and came out with a silver axe. The woodcutter said, No, no, this is a silver axe. My axe is made of iron. The goddess then brought out an iron axe. She asked him once again, Is this your axe, woodcutter? Yes, yes, he exclaimed happily. Thank you. The goddess of the river was very pleased with his honesty and gifted him both the golden axe and the silver axe. The woodcutter was very happy. Friends in the park. Every evening, Manu goes to the park to play. Manu's friend Amina goes to the park too. Manu and Amina play with other children in the park. They love to play on the seesaw and the slippery slide. Most of all, they love the swings. There are only 2 swings in the park, and since all the children like to swing, they take turns so that all can have fun. One day, a new boy, Sunny, comes to the park. Sunny is tall and strong. He wants to sit on the swing Manu is on. He pushes Manu off the swing. Manu hurts his leg. Amina is sad. Don't be rough, Sunny, she says. Sunny does not listen to her. The next day, none of the children want to play with him. You are too rough, they say. Sunny feels bad. He says sorry to Manu. Then Manu and Amina play with Sunny and the other children join them too.
King Lion and Rabbit. There was once a lion that lived in a forest. Every day he would kill any animal that he could catch. He killed many animals. Please don't kill us. The animals offered to send him one animal as food every day. Today, The rabbit was to be the lion's meal.
You are late.
I'm sorry. I met a new lion. He wanted to eat me. I told him I was on the way to meet you. He said you were weak.
Take me to him.
The other lion lives inside that well.
I will kill this lion.
The lion jumped into the well and never came out. All the animals lived happily in the forest.
My big fat cat. I own a big fat cat, the fattest for miles around. Wherever there's lots of food, that's where he'll be found. He's really good at eating. It's a talent, I suppose. I'm sure if he keeps at it, he'd win the talent shows. I own a big fat cat. He weighs at least a ton. He couldn't run to save his life. Yes, he isn't much fun. His favorite room's the kitchen. I'm sure we all know why. He eats just about everything. So that's why, with a sigh, I'd like to tell you, teacher. I'd like to tell you straight. I might have accidentally dropped my homework in his plate.
It's poem time. Let's listen to All of Me. See my eyes, see my nose, see my fingers, see my toes, see my lips, see my knee. Now you have seen all of me. There's no one in this whole wide world exactly just like me. I am me and you are you. We are special, don't you see?
My red bicycle. Aman has a red bicycle. His Abbu gave it to him for his 7th birthday last year. His bicycle is a second-hand one. Its seat is slightly torn. But Aman loves his bicycle. Aman's Abbu has told him to take care of his bicycle. Aman cleans it every day. Abbu is Aman's father. He has a green scooter. He goes to office on his scooter. Fut 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 fut. Aman's family has a tractor.
It's poem time. Let's listen to a child's song. Thank you for the sun so bright, for the moon and the stars at night. Thank you for each flower and tree, and all the beauty that I see. Thank you for our singing birds, and for my family's gentle words. Thank you for friends, kind and true. Help me be a good friend too.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Please subscribe KidzTV.